family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And in this video, I am doing a simple glam get ready with me kind of video, tutorial type of thing. And if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm about to go head to a doctor's appointment, so I figured I'd get ready with these guys on camera or do like a tutorial, maybe voiceover. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but let's just get right into the makeup. So I think I'm going to do something really natural because I am going to the doctor's, so I'm not trying to look all crazy and put together. And I'm probably going to go to my job after this, after that doctor's appointment, just so that, because I need to speak to them about something, and yeah, it's kind of urgent. So just filling the brows really lightly. And if you didn't see the brow pencil I was using, it was the Maybelline Slim Brow Pencil, I think it's called. And I think it's in the darkest shade, which is dark brown. Then I just used the Brow Bar by Rima powder kit to fill them in some more. So now I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to clean up my eyebrows and to prime the lid. Sponge to blend that out. And to set that, I'm going to take my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage powder in 332 Golden because it has like a really nice yellow tint to it. So now I'm going to do a quick little wing, and I'm taking the Hank & Henry felt tip liner. Wow, that is a thick wing. For mascara, I'm taking the Milani Highly Rated Mascara. I'm almost done with this. It feels pretty empty and barely any product is coming out anymore. I'm going to throw falsies on so I don't need a lot of this. I have like 20 minutes to finish my makeup, so that's why I'm like in a rush. Because I got to leave my house by 2 because I think this place closes at 3 and I'm just walking in. For falsies, you guys already know, I'm taking the Airway Studio falsies in the style Lydia. Holy freaking grail lashes. And then I'm going to be using their lash glue in black. Okay, so lashes are on. Moving on to moisturizer. So I'm taking the Olay Total Effects Whip Moisturizer. And then for primer, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Pore Blur Primer, which looks like this. Take about that much. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. This is my favorite foundation as far as high-end goes. I normally do 2 pumps on each side, but I'm trying to do like a light coverage type of thing, you know, very natural, minimal. So just 2 pumps for the entire face gives me that effect. So for concealer, I'm taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Pressed Powder that I used on my eyes and set my entire face. And for bronzer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer and O2 Warm. You guys know I love this thing. It's super pigmented. Taking that powder brush again to tap out my nose bronzer because I went a bit crazy. For blush, I'm taking the blush from the Wander Beauty Trip for 2 blush and bronzer duo. It's like this really pretty bubblegum pink, but I'm going to go in very lightly because I'm not trying to look like a clown today. Just to push it in, I'm taking the powder brush again, just to tone it down. So for highlight, I'm going into my Makeup Revolution Quad, and I'm going to take the darkest shade and the lightest shade and apply it to where I normally apply it. And now to set that all in, I'm going to spray the Makeup Revolution Rose Fizz makeup fixing spray. And then I'm just going to press it in using my sponge, especially where I have highlighter. And then for inner corner highlight, I'm taking the Airway Studio Perfect Pressed Highlighter in the shade Lavish. And then for my waterline, I'm going to take the Rimmel Scandaleyes eyeliner in Nude. And I'm going to apply the same mascara to my lower lashes. And then for lips, I'm going to be using both of my Live Glam lippies, and I'm taking the shade Rome, which is the darkest, like the dark brown shade, and then I'm going to go in the center with the color Paris. And then to top that off, I'm going to take the ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Gloss in the shade Princess Cut, which is just clear. And then to set all of this down, I'm going to take my Max Fix Plus Prep and Prime setting spray in Rose and just set everything down. And again, I'm going to press everything in with a sponge. So while the rest of my face dries, I'm going to get my hair together and come back with the outro. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this simple get ready with me. Sorry I was like rushing. I'm in a rush to get to this appointment because it is a walk-in. So if you enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought. Also, these are press-ons that I designed. So I freaking love them. I just took off my acrylics and I need to take a break from acrylics, so press-ons is the way to go. Hit me up if you want me to design a pair, or if you're interested. I do custom requests. Nothing is over $30. In fact, everything is normally from $20 to $25 that I sell, even request. So yeah, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you guys go. On that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.